photo for the blog.
How are you? Welcome to TIANA'S place.
Well, to get the run started, I need y'all to answer 3 big questions for me today. Now, question number 1, are you hungry?
Yes!
Oh, well, I knew you were. Well, Chef Nolly and I have been cooking up some mighty fine fixings all afternoon. My dad's recipes, of course. And we've got some shrimp and grits, and some sausage from his bowl. And of course, some of my famous buttermilk beignets to finish it all off. Now, I sure hope y'all enjoy some of the best French door fixings on this side of Mississippi. But you know, nothing makes all this food taste better than an upright bake. And a salty salad. To stir everything up in here, so question number 2. Are y'all ready to get this place swaying with some non-shafts? Yeah. Well, I sure hope so, because that leads me to my third and final question. Now, this ain't just a restaurant and this ain't just a stage. This is the South's one and only Southern Blood Dance Hall. And that means you all get to make this better. So everybody, are y'all ready to dance today? Yeah. Right, then please welcome to the stage all their special musical guests, the Crawfish Cruelers.
Thank you, Miss Sienna, and thank you, everybody. We hope you have as much fun here today as we're going to have. So enjoy the food, enjoy the fun. And ladies and gentlemen, let's get a little crazy here. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, how to be when the saints go marching in. Oh, when they stand, he gives to play. When the bass begins to play. Oh, how when the sax begins to play.
Come and join us real soon. We are having a good old time here in New Orleans.